Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best rework soldering stations, designed to make your soldering tasks more efficient and hassle-free. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist or a professional, these products offer exceptional features and reliability. All the product links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. This list is based on our personal opinions, taking into account ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and much more. Let's explore these amazing tools and see how they can add value to your projects. Number 5. The JCD8586D Rework Soldering Station is a versatile 2-in-1 unit that combines a hot air gun and soldering iron for maximum convenience. Its alloy metal body with a durable silicone shell ensures a long lifespan and energy efficiency. The station features an LCD digital display for precise temperature control and a microcomputer system for quick warming up. The handle comes with a sensor switch, allowing it to enter standby mode when released, adding to its safety and ease of use. Additionally, with an ESD design and support for various tasks like shrinking, drying, and glue soldering, it's a practical and reliable tool for SMD component rework. Number 4. The TukOSS T2X Plus Rework Soldering Station offers a blend of simplicity and advanced features, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Manufactured in mainland China, this model ensures consistent and efficient performance for various soldering tasks. It includes a user-friendly interface, allowing for easy adjustments in operation. The station is compact and lightweight, saving space on your workstation. This station is well suited for precision work and provides a seamless experience for those looking for a straightforward yet effective soldering solution. Number 3. The AIFEN A9E Rework Soldering Station is a sleek and efficient tool that caters to diverse soldering needs. With certifications like CE and RoHS, it meets safety and quality standards for reliable use. Designed with simplicity in mind, it's easy to operate while delivering consistent performance. Its compact size makes it portable and suitable for tight workspaces. The A9E boasts a durable build, ensuring longevity even with regular use. While not heavily customizable, its focus on essential functions makes it a solid choice for everyday soldering tasks. Whether you're a beginner or need a backup station, the A9E delivers quality results without complications. Number 2. The YIHUA 982 Rework Soldering Station stands out with its versatile design and advanced customization options. Certified by CE, FCC, and UL, this station ensures a safe and reliable soldering experience. Its powerful heating system provides quick temperature adjustments, reducing downtime during projects. The station is built for precision work with adjustable settings to suit different soldering requirements. Its ergonomic design includes a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended use. The YIHUA 982 also offers smart features like sleep mode to save energy and protect the soldering iron tip. Whether for professional repairs or hobby projects, this station delivers dependable results every time. Finally, the Silverflo 8586D2 Rework Soldering Station combines advanced technology with user-friendly features for an exceptional soldering experience. It comes with a powerful 750-watt system and supports a wide temperature range, catering to various tasks. The station includes a digital temperature calibration feature, enhancing efficiency and extending the lifespan of the soldering iron. Its automatic sleep mode prevents oxidation of the tip and saves energy, making it environmentally friendly. The Silverflo 8586D2 is a top-tier choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest product reviews and updates. See you in the next one.